In this video, we are going to see how we can publish our Roblox game in Roblox Studio. That is a very simple process here, guys. So first of all, what we will do is let's open up a new experience, and it will basically open up the base plate in Roblox Studio. That is the first game that we are going to publish in Roblox Studio. If you already have the games, you will see those games listed there. But since this is our first game, we'll open up the base plate. And once our game is finalized, you click on File. So we open up File and we click on Save to Roblox. And here we will mention a name and a description. So we will just write the name. And one thing to keep in mind is description is what helps people to find the game, but you can change that later on as well. So I'll just write here the same as the name, and you select the creator and on what devices it can be played. So you check that, and once that is done, click on save, and it will successfully save the game and open up the test game again in the Roblox Studio. And once we have done that, we click on the file and click on experience settings. And now we can see a lot more settings after saving the game. So we have communication, monetization policies, security, and so on. So see if anything that you want to change, you can customize it from here. Now what to do if you want to make your game public? For that, what you'll do is we will head over to the basic info, and you can see this experience is unplayable. Complete the maturity and compliance questionnaire. In order to make it public, we have to fill out this questionnaire. So we click on that and you log in with the same ID. So once you log in, you click on the start, choose all of these options. I'll just quickly choose no, because it doesn't involve any kind of strong language, crude humor, alcohol, and all of that content. So I'll just write and select no for all of them, and then just click on continue and click on submit. So once we have that done, you can keep it open at the side, and we actually click on experience settings again, switch to basic info, and now this is public. You close out of here, and now you can click on publish to Roblox from file, and that's, you can say play testers can play now. It is now published. Now, if you want to share and play the game with your friends, you can head over to the right hand corner where you can see this little share icon to share this game to your friends. So here's the public link, and it says make your game public to share it. Now, if you want to make it public, what you do is to head over to the browser, click on create. On the left hand side, you will see creations. Click on that. So if you see it there, that's good. But if you don't see your experience there, what you can do is from the studio, you will click on publish to Roblox. And as soon as it shows that it is published, you will see manage experience option right here. You click on that. So it will go to the same area of create.roblox.com under your creations. Now you will click on configure and click on the settings. As you can see, it is set to limited. We will set it to public. So if you see that you have some restrictions or ID confirmations is required, you just click on more and verify that. So either purchase verification or ID verification is required. You will need to enable that, and after that you save here. And we go to the places and basically go to the settings again, just to make sure that it is now set to public. And now we click on this share button and we can copy the link now. So this is the link that you want to give to all the friends or with whom you want to play or connect to the game. Let's try that. Since it is public now, we can directly paste this link. So this is published by me, as you can see, and we have the play button as well. So you can play it and we can open it in client. And now you can see my game has successfully loaded. and I can play it. But since this is just a base plate, I haven't created anything. But this is how you can create your own game and publish your own game on Roblox. So this is a complete Roblox Studio tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.